Look for clusters of eggs, silky casings, or obvious nest material in sheltered spots while you spray so you can treat the source, not just the pests. When inspecting for nests, start at roof eaves and under soffits, then move to corners of sheds, porch ceilings, and inside garages because pests prefer dry, sheltered cavities. Use a flashlight held at an angle to reveal shiny silk, paper, or clustered egg sacs that are easy to miss in direct light. If you find an egg nest photo it quickly, avoid disturbing it with bare hands, and plan treatment from a safe distance so you do not scatter live insects. For active nests, consider using a targeted aerosol or foam labeled for nest treatment that expands into crevices, then let it sit the time specified by the label before re-entry. Apply residual spray around the periphery of the nest to create a treated barrier rather than blasting directly into the cluster, which can force pests out into the open. Wear gloves, eye protection, and a mask rated for pesticide use, and follow label directions for re-entry intervals and any necessary cleanup. Common mistakes include assuming every small web or debris pile is an inactive nest, which can lead to undertreating and a return of the infestation. Instead, inspect closely, photograph, and treat conservatively if you are unsure. People often spray directly into nests without protective gear, which can send adults or larvae flying into living spaces and increase exposure risk. Keep distance, use the correct product form, and wear personal protective equipment. A third issue is treating only visible areas and missing nests in wall voids or attics. Listen for activity, use attic inspection access points, and consider a nest-specific product or professional removal when nests are hidden or structural access is required. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors so we can find local help after spotting nests or to source advice on safe removal methods. We host a discussion community where we share experiences, product tips, and contractor recommendations to help everyone make informed decisions.